Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Toucan camera and preparing its storage. Plug a reliable 5V USB supply or ensure the battery is charged. Then insert a formatted micro SD card so the device can record. This prevents storage errors later. Once powered, position the camera within 2-3 meters of your Wi-Fi router to reduce pairing issues because signal strength matters for setup stability. Make sure indicator LEDs light up and note any blinking pattern. Before moving to you open the Toucan app and either log into your account or create one. This links settings to your profile. Next, follow the app prompts, use the QR scan method or manual SSID entry to connect the camera to your 2.4 GHz network because many cameras do not support 5 GHz. Once the app finds the device, grant permissions for location, notifications, and storage so streaming and alerts work correctly. After pairing, name the camera and confirm live view loads without lag. You complete setup by mounting and fine-tuning the camera. Adjust angle and focus, then tighten the bracket so it stays fixed. Next, configure motion zones, sensitivity, and recording schedules in the app to avoid false alerts. This saves storage and battery life. Finally, test alerts and playback. If something goes wrong, reboot the camera, move it closer to the router, and re-enter Wi-Fi credentials. These steps resolve most problems quickly, so you regain a stable connection and clear video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.